How to use points and miles for travel. Imagine turning your everyday spending into free trips and adventures. It might sound too good to be true, but with points and miles, you can make travel more affordable and fun. When you sign up for travel rewards credit cards or join airline and hotel loyalty programs, you start earning points or miles. Use these cards for groceries, gas, or dining out to rack up rewards faster. Many cards offer big bonus points when you meet certain spending goals within the first few months, so keep an eye out for those offers. Once you have enough points or miles, it's time to plan your trip. Decide where you want to go and what kind of experience you want. Whether it's a quick visit to family or a fun vacation during college breaks, knowing your destination helps you choose the best redemption options. You can book flights directly through airline reward programs or use points for hotel stays through hotel loyalty programs. Some programs let you transfer points between airlines and hotels, which can give you more options and better deals. Upgrading your flight to business class or getting a nicer hotel room can also be paid for with points. Sometimes, you can even use points to cover extra costs like baggage fees or rental cars. Before you redeem, compare the cash price of your flight or hotel with the points needed. This helps you see if you're getting good value. Remember, not all redemptions are equal, so aim for those that save you the most money. Planning ahead is key because award seats and hotel rooms are limited, especially during busy travel times. Booking early and being flexible with your dates can help you find available rewards. Keep track of when your points or miles expire because some programs requiring activity to keep your rewards active. Rules can change, so stay updated on your program's policies. For teenagers thinking about college travel or trips with friends, using points and miles can cut costs significantly. Earning rewards through everyday spending and redeeming them for trips makes travel more accessible. Starting now helps you develop good habits for managing travel costs as you grow older. So, get familiar with your rewards programs, plan your trips early, and enjoy exploring new places without breaking the bank.